I took this out of the fridge. These were very cold in the refrigerator, but the garlic will still survive in that temperature. What you want to do is try to find the biggest bulbs that you can pop off. You know, break them apart, usually towards the outside. I have one here that's a pretty good size. And I already wet the soil here. What you want to do is put this side up. I'm just going to poke this down. I'm going to sprinkle soil over the top of this too. Right over the top like that. Then I'll wet that really good. Soak that area real well. Again, I already pre-soaked the soil, so I'm really just wetting the top. You can leave this in the sun, just don't let it dry out at all. As soon as you see the top starting to dry. So it's simple as that. Get your garlic. I just put it in the ground and now just keeping it moist, and you'll see it sprout up probably in about a week, I say. All right, we'll keep an eye on this. Here's the garlic from about a week ago. I put these in the ground. 2 cloves. You can see what they look like now after about a week. Again, I just took brand new cloves out of the refrigerator and dropped them in the soil, keeping them very moist and hydrated so they don't dry up. Okay, folks. Right here you can see got my garlic. So it's about 6 inches tall now. I think it's been about 11 days, I believe. Definitely ready for transplanting. I think it's been maybe 3 weeks now since I put those in. These are looking amazing. These are about 8 inches tall and really healthy. I gotta transplant these soon and get them in the ground. All right, here we go. Finally putting these in the ground. These are real easy to start from these 6-inch, these little 6-packs. All you got to really do is just grab them right by the bottom there, and these things will come right out. Let's take a look at the roots. Look how nicely and rooted those are. Wow. So that's perfect. So now it's time to go ahead and set these in the ground. Make sure I have the right level there. I already got a little hole kind of set here. Let's do another one over here. So this is full sun. I'll put some tomatoes in here too, so these will help preventing insects. A lot of insects don't like being around the garlic, so they will not be attracted to this area. All right, there we go. Growing garlic from garlic. Let's water this and we'll check on this a little later. Looking good. These are gonna be healthy. You can just pack it in lightly around there. That's perfect. I'm gonna plant some more of these garlics too, so we can have succession planting. I'll get 2 more started today. So every time you plant them, plant 2 more. That way you have continuous harvest. So they look nice just as landscape plants. Give it some nice color in the front yard here. It's like a grass. The thing about garlic is they take about 9 months to fully mature. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.